ridden his bike around and had fun with it.
Insert before flight. There we go.
I decided that I'd kill myself if I did.
If you got what?
If I got a street bike or a.
Yeah. It's been a couple close calls, I'll say.
Yep. I know.
There's no speedo.
I plan on being the only one that survives.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's super legal right now. You need headlights, you need a speedo, and you need a rear view mirror.
Shit happens. It fell off. That's what happened.
Just now. Right now.
Cool. Oh yeah. There's so many bugs in this field, but this bike feels with no street or with the no front fairing. Oh wow, mating dragonflies almost ran into. The Streetfighter look, man, it feels a little different riding it. I'm gonna turn around here. There's literally bugs everywhere. Oh, you can make it. Oh, that was illegal. We're gonna give them a second to go ahead because I want to go fast. I just want to go fast, Mom. Am I recording? Cool. He's in the process of converting this to white. He bought some fairings online. This is that R6S. I rode a little bit before. Okay, now I'm gonna shoot back. It feels a little different than mine, but I like it. Lit this bike is. Yeah.
It feels different.
Yeah, it's different, all right. Feels good. Although I was like I was having to shift by sound. I couldn't do it by looking at it. So
That's all I do.
all right. The hell, ooh. One of those. Ooh, bold move. Bold move, Cotton. That's bold. Oh, taking over the streets. We'll catch up. People are gonna get off here to go to Chick-fil-A, and that'll give me some lane space. What? Oh yeah.
I believe I can fly. Think about it every night.
He got kill switched. Got him. That's hilarious. He got kill switched. Oh, it's so fun seeing the antics. Because you guys humping his bike. Oh, kids these days.